Welcome to 420 Team Loud TV. Today we're going to change the run capacitor on a condenser unit. First step is make sure your power's off. I previously did that. First day of the job. Remove the capacitor from the holder. This fan motor been replaced, so the only side the capacitor is running on is on the compressor. The fan still runs, but the compressor doesn't. This is your old capacitor. This is your new capacitor. Now, if you try to get confused or you replacing it yourself, a key thing you could do, if you look on the capacitor, you see a C, the word HERM, that means compressor, and then you got fan. Now, sometimes they get rusted out on your old compressor, but if you wet it, you can see. This is your fan lead. By your fan being on a separate capacitor, this is gonna stay unhooked. This is your common lead. Let's see. As you see, the capacitor roll up.
Hey guys, Candy. Welcome back to 420 Team Loud TV.
This lead got your compressor. So you hook this up to HERM. These two leads are your common lead. Make sure your leads tight, because they're not. They will drop off. What I'm doing now, you send a strap for this capacitor. Thinking about this. Fit.
And what size screwdriver are you using? Or what are you using?
5/16 nut driver.
A 5/16 nut driver?
Hold this right here. Wait. How you look on? Wire, the wire's nasty. That wire's nasty.
And that's how you change.
Over in capacity.